Saving with Shay, and I'm here for my Walmart midweek haul for you guys. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Also, make sure you smash the like button and support your girl. So listen, y'all, I need 18 offers for $5. I don't know how likely I am to do that. I also need how many? I think I'm like 27, 28-ish, give or take, into the larger bonus. And to be honest, I don't even think I'm gonna hit that one either this time around. We've been getting a lot of Flavor Wiki offers lately, which is so freaking cool. A lot of snacky type stuff. The biggest thing with them is you gotta check them early. Like lately, I've been getting up super early because I'm doing this challenge on my fitness channel. It's a hour of the Stairmaster for 7 days, and for that I have to get to the gym earlier, so I get up at 2:30. So I check it so freaking early, and I check it while I'm there as well. Their offers usually pop up relatively early. Always do that qualification survey, because that does not last long. They don't keep those up long at all. Like once they hit their quota or whatever it is gone. If you guys have any other questions about Flavor Wiki, drop them in the comments. Other than that, we're gonna head into Walmart, which is right here. I'm gonna see what kind of awesomes that we could grab. If you want to see what your girl got, I know what to do. Keep on watching. This next deal is on the Partake chocolate chip cookies. I did get another text offer through Aisles for buy one get one free. The cheapest one is the crunchy ones, priced at $4.38. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a total of 2 of them. I'll end up paying $8.76, getting back $4.38 through Aisles, and then $2 for each on Ibotta, bringing these down to only 19 cents per box. All right, so I did get more offers on Flavor Wiki. They have been fire lately. I ain't even gonna front. So you need to get the chocolate fudge and you need to get a cherry. They only have the 12 count boxes here. They're priced at $1.92. Getting back $3 on Flavor Wiki makes them $1.08 moneymaker per box. All right, so next up is the Dave's Killer Bread bars. Now for this one, I was really hoping that this cheaper one was going to work for the buy one get one free offer on Ibotta, but it's not. So we're going to grab one of the other ones here. They're priced on rollback for $6.57. You want to grab 2 of them. You'll pay $13.14 out of pocket, getting back $6.57 through Ibotta, which is a buy one get one free offer. There's also 2 different offers on Fetch Reward. One is $1.50 back with a limit of 2. The other one is 250 points for every dollar, which is $3.28. Which basically brings these down to 14 cents per box. Of course, I have to do this deal again because it keeps resetting, and I figure why not? So it's on the Glade Air Fresheners, priced at $2.38, getting back $1.50 on Ibotta, brings these down to only 88 cents each. And of course, I've been maxing it out. Really quick, I see some stuff on clearance. The Dawn Power Wash. They have the free and clear one for $2. Let me show you the UPC. Some of y'all be wanting to see the UPC on this one, and then the fresh pine one, and the pumpkin spice. Shouldn't pumpkin spice be like cheaper than that? A lot cheaper than that. There's that one, and then there's that one. And then down here they have the Ajax Fabuloso. It's the smaller bottle. It's the 28-ounce bottle right here. That's $2. They have some Dawn. That's on clearance. Dawn. They also have this one. It's a Palmolive. It's not that much cheaper, but it's the almond blueberry one right there. That's $2. And I think that's it over here that I can see. But yeah, definitely check this little aisle. Right. So next up is another Flavor Wiki deal. It's on the legendary pastry Pop-Tart-ish situation right here. It's on the strawberry one. I really want to try that one right there. I want to try the cinnamon bun, honey bun thing. But listen, it's priced at $9.87. Getting back 12 on Flavor Wiki makes this $2.28 moneymaker. Now, I would check other locations. I know that some stores do sell the singles. My Vons has it for $4, so I went ahead and grabbed it there as well. I actually like these. and I wanted to try them, and I actually really liked them. 10 seconds in the microwave, and I thought it was really good. Alright, so this next deal is on the Shuck Extreme 3. It's priced at $6.78. I went ahead and printed some coupons from coupons.com. We're gonna see if they work for $3. So you end up paying $3.78, getting back $4 on Ibotta. It makes it a 22-cent moneymaker. And then for the women razors, there's offers for that as well. So for that, we're gonna grab the Skintimates, priced at $6.27. This coupon should make it $3.27, getting back $3 on Ibotta makes that 27 cents. Also one on the Shuck Hydro Soap as well. And for that one, we have a $3 coupon. Would make that $3.78, getting back 3 makes that 78 cents. I'm not really sure if this coupon will work or if the other one. But yeah, I'll let you guys know what happens. All right, so I'm on the hair care aisle trying to see if I can find any items that will match up with Ibotta. I see the Shea Moisture. They have this one right here, the Scalp Moisture Shampoo, priced at $4.50. And for that, we do have a $2.50 rebate on Ibotta. It would make that $2. I'm thinking of getting it since we're working with some Flavor Wiki moneymakers here, and so definitely not a bad deal on that. So I printed some CoverGirl coupons too. Like, bam. And I was checking online before I came to the store, and I saw they had some price at $2.88. It's only for $5.05 though. So I'm hoping if I grab 2 of them and use a coupon, I'll pay 88 cents and get back 2 on Ibotta. There goes the UPC right there. Now I was debating on whether or not to just buy 2, use 1 coupon, and submit the other item for checkout 51 and one of the sister apps. I think I might just try that. Because even if it doesn't work out with the second item, it'll still make it 88 cents after I bought it. And then I have it for the face as well. But I didn't see any face products that were relatively cheap. And I was looking for some that were on clearance or some type of rollback situation. But yeah, we're just gonna grab 2 of the eye pencils. Alright guys, so here is our complete haul. Can you see Flavor Wiki coming through for the win? Like what? Like what, Flavor Wiki? I got the same offers on both my account and Joseph's account. I did everything on my account except the Great Value first. Everything went through. I got the last of my offers. I think I had like 5 or 6 that went through literally like 10 minutes ago. Which is really, really cool, and it's all sitting in my PayPal. Really quick, I totally forgot to mention the Kroger Pop-Tarts. I got that offer twice on both my account as well as Joseph's account. And for that offer, you have to buy the variety box. Like when you click on the survey to start it, it'll tell you that the chocolate is only included in a variety box, so that's what you have to get. And the same thing with the cherry. And so for that offer, you're getting 1 of each variety box, but make sure to read your offer to make sure yours is the same. But all 4 that I did read like that. All of the Annies I got from Sprouts. Now I did get the larger boxes on my account, but I wanted to try the smaller boxes on Joseph's account. These are $4.99. The bigger boxes were $5.99. And then you're getting back $8 for one and $11 for the other. The Annie's Puffs you're getting back. Those are $5.29, getting back $11. Awesome deal on that. The sweet Lorens cookie dough is priced at $6.49. There's $1 digital on the app for Sprouts. You'll pay $5.49, get that back through Aisles. I'll have a link in the Google Doc. And then we got $2 back on Merryfield as well. Now with Aisles, they did request a picture of the item that I got, which I sent. And then as far as Merryfield, I did have to put a support ticket in because it didn't pick the item up. I got the Noka smoothie. That was $2.99. That's a Social Nature offer. That was also at Sprouts. I mentioned the Quatinum 2 or 3 weeks ago, I think. I never did the offer because the one that I got was the wrong one. So since I still had the digital for $2.49 on my app, I went ahead and grabbed it. It made that absolutely free. And the EUB drinks, that's a limit of 4. That's an Aisles offer, 2 for $7. Get that back. So you pay $14, you get $14 back. I actually got that yesterday. I think it took like a day to process for that. Find the 1 count legendary pastry thing, protein thingy at Vons for $4, getting back 12. I did buy the box first at Walmart. I probably should have did it in reverse just in case I didn't like them. But I really wanted to try these anyways, and I figured I'm gonna probably eat them anyways. But these are actually pretty good. I got a surprise, and I actually really wanted to try them. So to be able to try them and get paid to do that is pretty awesome. As far as the razors, y'all, that worked out perfect. Coupon scanned perfectly fine. I had went this morning and did, well, I had to do this in 2 trips because I had to go pick Josiah up from school early. But the coupons worked on all of this. The same coupon worked for all of them. I did try the one that said Hydro Soap, but that one didn't scan. I did 2 of these this morning, and then I went back and did the Hydro and the Extreme on the same transaction in self-checkout, and all 4 coupons scan, which was really, really cool. But I did try that Hydro Soap coupon first to see if it would scan, and it didn't. The coupons for the CoverGirl, the $2 coupon, that did not scan for me. But I went ahead and just grabbed it anyways because I figured I was going to get $2 back for my points, or $2.16 on my points, $2 on checkout 51, and then I would get back a total of $4 on Ibotta. So we'll still make it a great deal. And again, those did scan for $2.88. I want to share this too. I found these on clearance. Actually, one of my favorite cashiers had let me know that the Planters peanuts are on clearance for 50 cents, you guys. And I was like, girl, I don't need no more snacks. No more snacks. There goes the UPC on that one. There was 3 different flavors. I only got these 2 flavors because I was just like, interesting, right? Interesting. But yeah, only 50 cents. I was like, okay, I'll get 2 bags. Yeah, but anyways, so I wanted to share that. And then other than that, everything you see here retails $187.40. We had $21.49 in coupons. That brought the out-of-pocket down to $165.91. And then we're getting back a total of $134 from Flavor Wiki. Ibotta is $52.48. Isles is $19.49. Fetch Reward was $6.28. That receipt went through perfectly fine for the Dave's Killer Bread bar thingies. Social Nature was $2.99. My points $2.12, Merryfield $2, and last but not least, checkout 51 was $2 as well. Getting back a total of $221.36 makes this, you guys, come close. Come really close. Come close. It makes this a $55.45 money. What? What, y'all? How amazing is that? All these snacks, mind you, I'm going to have to donate most of it, you know, but to make $55 off of all this, to get almost $200 worth of stuff, and then get paid $55. I'm trying to think. It's $55. Is that a tank of gas? I think it almost might be a tank of gas. Anyways, guys, other than that, I appreciate you guys watching. Josiah's emoji was, what was your emoji, bug? A bomb. Fire? Okay, so a bomb and a backup. If you can't find a bomb, fire. Y'all probably thinking, what he be watching? He be watching YouTube. Fire and bombs. Just don't go do nothing stupid. But anyways, other than that, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button at the door. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.